and today we have the OEM Tools Pneumatic/Manual Fluid Extractor. This is the 2-gallon. It extracts oil or any kind of fluid you need to extract. Today I used it for extracting coolant fluid from a car. Makes extracting fluid easy to do. DIY or professional use. This oil change pump extractor is your go-to for removing fluid directly from the dipstick tube. Use it for radiator or transmission fluid. Features a Venturi valve and a comfortable pumping handle. They claim it's the best oil extractor on the market. Flexible hose vacuum pump oil extractor comes with a 41-inch dipstick tube and 17-inch suction tube adapter. It is a one-piece leak-proof reservoir with an automatic shutoff valve to prevent overflow. Working pressure is 85 psi and a max of 120 psi.